I'm going to show you how to close the gap of clips on the timeline. Okay, so here I have a bunch of photos from Canva here. You're making a slideshow, then you want to change the durations. I'm going to select all. I'm going to right-click. I'm going to choose speed duration. I'm going to change this to say 15 so I can speed it up. Okay, and now it makes this big gap in between all these, and normally it goes through these and delete them one by one. There's a couple tricks that you can do if you've been using Premiere for a while, but now watch this. Just go up here to Sequence. Close gap, and boom, just like that, all the gaps in between your clips are done. You can make a selection of clips by just dragging over them. Go to Sequence Close Gap. It will just close the gap of that, or you can select all, choose Close Gap, and they'll close the gap of everything on your timeline. And that is your quick tip in Premiere Pro 2024. Thank you so much for watching.